A new wildfire has broken out north of Los Angeles, rapidly spreading over 10,000 acres. Strong winds and dry brush have fueled the flames, forcing over 50,000 residents to face evacuation orders. Firefighters are already battling two major fires in the region, but they've made progress in controlling them. However, the flames continue to spread, with one fire reaching near Castaic Lake in less than 24 hours. Los Angeles County Fire Chief Anthony Marin mentioned that the situation today is very different from what it was 16 days ago. By January 22nd night, firefighters had controlled about 14% of the fire. There's still concern that the Palisades and Eaton areas could catch fire as well, though firefighters are closely monitoring those. Over 31,000 people have been ordered to evacuate, with another 23,000 on alert. Fortunately, there have been no reports of houses or structures burning down yet. Meanwhile, a 48-kilometer stretch of the main north-south highway has been shut down to clear the way for emergency vehicles. The Angeles National Forest has closed off 700,000 acres of parkland to visitors due to the fire. The I-5 highway was temporarily shut down because of poor visibility caused by smoke. According to the California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection, the fire that started on January 7th has already scorched an area roughly the size of Washington, D.C. This fire is one of Southern California's most destructive natural disasters, claiming at least 28 lives and damaging or destroying around 16,000 structures. Chief Marin admitted that controlling the fire is difficult, but firefighters are giving their all. He also mentioned that the I-5 highway should reopen soon. A 48-kilometer stretch of the highway was closed because flames were reaching over the hills into the valleys. The National Weather Service has reported winds of up to 67 kilometers per hour, which could reach speeds of 96 kilometers per hour by evening. To prepare for potential rain, Los Angeles authorities are taking precautions. Some residents of burnt areas like Pacific Palisades and Altadena are being allowed to return home. LA Mayor Karen Bass warned citizens of strong winds and advised them to visit the city website for safety tips on protecting themselves from toxic air during Santa Ana wind events. LA County Public Health Director Barbara Ferrer cautioned that ashes could contain harmful substances like arsenic and other heavy metals.